In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Veed video editor. Whether you're a novice or have some editing experience, Veed offers a user-friendly platform to help you create stunning videos quickly and efficiently. So let's dive right in. First things first, head over to veed.io and log into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll want to create one. It's straightforward and only takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. From here, you'll want to click on the Create New Project button. This is your starting point for all new video creations. Next up, you'll need to import the video you want to work on. Click on the Upload Video button and select your file. You can choose any video from your device. Once uploaded, your video will appear in Veed's main interface, and you're ready to start editing. To begin editing, click on the video in the timeline located at the bottom of the screen. This action will bring up various editing options and allow you to make precise adjustments to your video. Here's where Veed really starts to shine with its intuitive tools. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a toolbar filled with creative options. If you want to add some text to your video, perhaps a title or a caption, click on the text icon. From there, you can choose from different text styles, adjust fonts, colors, and positions to best suit your project's needs. And if you're looking to add background music or narration, simply click on the audio button. Here, you can either upload your own audio files or choose from a selection of stock options provided by Veed. For those interested in making their videos more accessible, selecting the subtitles option will allow you to add captions. Veed even offers auto-generating subtitle features, saving you even more time. After you've made all your edits and you're satisfied with how your video looks and sounds, it's time to wrap things up. Click on Done, and then head over to the top right corner of the screen to find the Export Video button. This action will finalize your project and prepare it for download. Finally, to save the finished product to your PC, simply click the Download button. And there you have it. Your edited video is now ready to be shared or published wherever you need. With Veed, video editing becomes a breeze, thanks to its user-friendly interface and powerful features. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now ready to create your own amazing videos with Veed. If you have any questions or need further guidance, feel free to revisit this video or check out other resources available online. Happy editing!